Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the power of visualization and expression. Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image or scenario in your mind, while expression involves communicating your thoughts and emotions through different mediums. Both these techniques can be powerful tools in achieving your goals, boosting creativity and productivity, and enhancing your overall well-being. So let's dive in. Part 1: The power of visualization. Visualization is a technique that can be used to improve performance and boost confidence. By creating a mental image of yourself achieving a particular goal, you can trick your brain into believing that you have already achieved it. This can be a powerful motivator to keep working towards your goals. Visualization can also help reduce stress and anxiety by allowing you to focus on positive outcomes and outcomes that make you feel good. Part 2: The power of expression. Expression is an important part of self-discovery and personal growth. By expressing your thoughts and emotions, you can gain a better understanding of yourself and others, and build stronger relationships. Expression can take many forms, such as writing, speaking, drawing, dancing, and singing. By finding the medium that works best for you, you can unlock your creativity and enhance your well-being. Part 3: How to harness the power of visualization and expression. To harness the power of visualization and expression, it's important to start small and practice regularly. Begin by setting aside a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving a particular goal or expressing your thoughts and emotions in a creative way. Use visualization and expression to help you stay focused and motivated, and to overcome obstacles and setbacks. Conclusion. So there you have it, the power of visualization and expression. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.